having my breakfast. And also join me as I show you where my school is. So I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Bye.
Good morning. Hello, Jem.
Hi.
Preparing for his school. Yeah, putting his clothes. Ayan na, start. Ito ang aming routine. Kada umaga pag napasok. Ayan. Ayan. Preparing. Araw-araw eh. Araw-araw yan ang ginagawa namin. Yan. So, how was your sleep, anak, last night?
Amazing.
Huh?
It was amazing.
Amazing. You sleep well?
Yeah.
Big boy na ang aming JM. JM Boy London. Ayan. Big boy na ang JM. And off to school. Yeah. Oh, he's sleepy? Huh? He's sleeping? How many more weeks or days before your school break?
2 more weeks.
Whoa, 2 more weeks? Really?
Yeah.
Let me help you. Wait, hold on. Oh, you look so foggy.
This week and next week, I think.
Up to school now?
Yeah. Off to school now. Pretty cold outside.
Okay, punta na kami ng school. Punta na kami ng bus stop. Medyo masama ang weather, mukhang uulan, kaya payong Israel. Jem, wait for daddy. Go, take one. Daan muna kami ng fruit shop. Para meron siyang bound for his snacks. Right, Jem?
Yep.
So, yan. Maming space. Punta kami ng bus stop. Few walks lang. Few minutes. Yan. Binata ng anak ko. You're in good mood, anak. Huh? Here, Jem, here. Let's go to fruit shop. Go, go, go. Thank you. Let's buy some banana, right? Yeah. Go, go, go. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Yan, mga friends natin. Oh, mangoes. Let's go. Buy some banana here. Fruit shop here. Belan tayo. Oh, it's too. Jem, take this two bananas. It's fine, yeah? Yeah? Dalawang banana. No. You want something? Ha? Ito na touch it, anak. At, mabubutas. Oh, go, let's go there. Oh. Bring this there. Ganun pa Oh. Yan. Ayan. Good morning. Okay. We have to take a peek. Oh, put it in your bag. Ano? Put it in your bag. Put for me. Thank you. Yes. Let's go. Okay. Let's go to Scotch the bus. Put it in your bag, anak. Anak. Wait. Stop. Yeah. Wait, hey. James. Okay. Thank you. Ano? Yun ang bus stop. Doon. Keep going. Hintayin natin yung bus. Yeah. Let's check. Why you have 2 towels? Give me the other one, anak. So we're gonna wait here in the bus. What time? The bus will come. Let's see. Stay there. Anak, oh, careful. Wait for the bus. Yeah. Let's go. Morning. Hey, Jeff. Hey. Hey, you okay? Huh? Jeff. Oh. Few minutes now. Jeff. So mga 3 stops lang at nandun na. Okay. So ang aming araw-araw na routine pag school time. Ang weather makulimlim. Mukhang uulan. Yan. After this bus stop, one more stop in school ni Jeff. Yeah. So, yan, bababa na kami. We're here na sa school. And the JM school. Yun. Let's go. Ready? Yeah, wait for them.
Thank you, driver.
Mga classmate niya. So walk from here mga 2 minutes. May na here, JM. Stop na here. Kristen. Love you. Take care, okay? Bye na. See you later.
Bye!
Pauwi na. Prepare naman ng lunch nila later. So, tayo ng bus. Sa bus dito, within 1 hour, ano pa rin, ganun pa rin yung charge. So, tamad ako maglakad, kaya sakay na lang. Uwi ng bahay, linis, laba, luto. Yan ang routine. Day off ko today sa work. So, ayan. Ayan, pauwi na. Ayan, pauwi na. Oh. Mga pub. Close. Uwi na. Linisan na. So, prepare naman ako. Later susunduin ko si JM. Luto ng lunch. Para mamaya okay na lahat. Okay. See you. See you. Bye for now. Hello, I'm back. Time to pick up JM school. So, gano'n ba siya ng 3:15. So, yun. Ito ang aming munting bahay. Yan. So, medyo okay ang panahon ngayon. Ayan. Hindi malamig, hindi mainit. Yeah. You okay? Ang mga kapitbahay. Neighbors. Yan. Ito. Wala na. Hold on. Punta tayo sa bus stop. Maaga tayo. Mukhang uulan kasi. So, umbrella. Hintay tayo ng bus dito. Sundo kay JM. And dala tayo ng merienda niya. So, very quiet ang community namin dito. Yun. Makikita nyo. Yun. Yung background ko. Yung background. Diba? Nandun yung train station sa likod ko. Fruit shop. So, tayo. Bus stop again. Yan. Hintay tayo ng bus. Ito sa school ni JN. Mamaya paglabas, hindi kasi pwede mag-video dun sa school. So, mamaya kasama ko na si JM. See you later. Tutulong tayo kay JM. Sa bus tayo ngayon. Sa bus tayo ngayon. Yeah. Ulit. Nandito ulit. Ayan. Lakad ulit tayo. So, malapit lang actually yung bahay namin sa school niya. Siguro pag lalakarin mo mga 10 to 12 minutes. So, pero pag gantong ano, medyo malayo din. Nakapagod din. Ito din, Holy Trinity. So, before January. So, mamaya kasi hindi pwede mag-video kasi lalo may mga bata. So, eto na yung gate. JM. Yan. Okay, later, mamaya, kasama ko na si JM. Kasama ko na si JM. Say hello, JM.
Hello again, guys.
Oh my goodness. How's your day?
Brilliant.
Huh?
Brilliant.
Brilliant. Oh, that's good. Go this side, on the right. Take off your hoodie. It's hot. Anak. Go, keep going. Going to the bus stop. Yes. Going home. Oh. Dancing, yeah? Oh, we need to catch. Oh, we missed the bus. Huh? Go inside, anak. On your right. How was your lunch, anak? Huh? How was your lunch? Huh?
Good. It's pizza.
What you had?
Pizza.
Pizza?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. We just had pizza last Sunday. Remember? Ulan. Oh my goodness. Dilim. Oh, tignan yung church dito. May ano. May old church. May grave din. Holy Trinity. Oh, what? Oh, say bye na with them. Later na, uulan.
Bye-bye.
Hello guys, ayun, it's been a long day para sa amin kanina at hindi na ako nakapag-outro. Ngayon tulog na si JM and tomorrow is another day na naman. So please support my son's YouTube, JM. Ayun yung mga ginagawa namin mostly everyday pag school time, you know. Pag ngayong bakasyon naman, we will upload more videos kung anong kaganapan dito sa London, UK. Please support my son's JM YouTube. Please like, share, follow, and subscribe his YouTube channel, JM Boy London. It means a lot, and thank you in advance. See you our next videos. Thank you and good night for now.